Greetings guys, I welcome you in this beautiful video, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you just simple tricks that you need to follow so that you will be a better trader. So the first thing that you need to note as a trader is that you should focus on a limited number of pairs in a certain week or a per trading week. For an example, you can see that here I've highlighted 5 pairs with these yellow tags here, which tells me that these are the only pairs that I'm focusing on trading this week, because I have analyzed during maybe the weekend or during the time that I used to analyze, and I've seen that these are the pairs that will give me better movements. These are the pairs which I am focusing into, because you should know as a trade that it's not every pair that has a beautiful move. It's not every pair that has a beautiful setup. So if there is no clear setup in a particular pair, there is no need for you to force yourself into trading that pair. So make sure that whenever you are trading in that particular week, you just give yourself few minutes in a weekend just checking pairs that are moving beautifully. Remember, I once told you about tradable and non-tradable markets. So make sure that you are looking for trades that are flowing beautiful, that are promising to give you a setup through which you understand their moves, and then just focus on those pairs for that particular week so that you avoid confusion. What matters here, it is you having a relationship with the market. So that's the important thing. It is you having a relationship with the market. So the second thing that you should note as a trader is that you should make sure that you follow up on your trades. For an example, let's say maybe you bought here, down here on this low. Let's say you just bought. Let us not ask why and is it possible for someone to buy here. So let us say you bought here, and then you took your profits up there. So this was your buy and this was your exit. So it's TP. So after after closing your take profit, what a lot of traders will do is that they will close these profits and then forget about this pair USD card, and then they go to another pair and they trade that pair. They forget about this. Yet the best language in trading, you really know that when you buy and when you close your trade, it doesn't mean closing, but it means that you are selling. So for you having this understanding, this has to click in your mind that you really need to follow up the market, to follow up what you're doing, because whenever we buy a trade, so if we close the buy, it means that we are ready to go down. It means that we are ready to sell. So if you close a buy and there are no signs of selling, it means that you closed it early. You closed it because you are afraid of losing what you already have. Instead of you closing it early, you should try by scaling your stop loss and your take profits by moving them now and then as the price move. So it will help you as a trader to say, okay, I've bought this pair because of reason A, B, and C, but now I am closing. And when you close, you should also have reason A, B, and C of why you are closing. So then by you saying, okay, I've closed USD card, let me observe then another opportunity. It will help you to understand the flow of the market in that particular period or in that particular week, because you'll be knowing in your mind that I bought it today and I closed it also today because it was forming maybe a low which was lower than the previous one. So you know that, okay, I'm waiting for a high that is lower than the previous one, and if I see that high, I go short. So you see that now you have developed a certain relationship with a pair. You have developed a certain relationship with a pair, which will make trading easy for you. It will not be confusing because you have kept a record of what you've been doing and of what you are doing in your mind. So you will not be confused, because you are now one with the pair. You are now following up what you are doing. Instead of you buying, closing and going away, buy, close and reanalyze again of what are the possible moves, what is the market likely to do, so that there'll be that oneness between you and that currency pair that you are trading. And then the last important trick that I'm going to give to you is make sure that you record the performance of your trades. This is going to help you in showing you the strengths that you have, or the easiness that you have in certain pairs against other pairs. For an example, let's say you record your trades, maybe at the end of the month or after 3 months, you analyze, you find that maybe 70% of your profitable trade came from USD CAD. 70% of your profitable trades came from USD CAD. So this is going to tell you that now, based on the strategy that you are using, it is highly suitable in trading USD CAD. You see, by that analysis, you then now be able as a trade to say, okay, I'm also going to give more time to USD CAD because I understand USD CAD more than other pairs, more than other currency pairs. So then you will dedicate your time in focusing on USD CAD because it gives you better returns. But if you don't keep record of your performance, then you will not know your strength. You will not know what causes you to lose. You will not know what causes you to win. So thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. I love you.